Hello, a very good morning to you all. Again, myself Anviti is here with the block 21 maps. And this is lesson plan 2, identify landforms. I hope you have read the previous lesson plan very well. I think it might be a little difficult for you as it is the totally new concept. But not to worry, it will be comfortable for you when you are going to repeat and ask the questions again to me. Okay, now we should proceed our lesson plan, and for that you need to arrange all your essential items with you. I hope you are ready with all these things. Now we will proceed. First of all, we will do a quick recap. What had we learned? So, we had read about contours in the previous lesson plan. Now, here are the keywords. Those are very important in your lesson plan 2, that is convex, and second is concave. Now, tell me, how can contours help us to understand the slope? So, as you have read it, close contours means the line which are placed closely indicate a steep slope, and distant contours a shallow slope. Equidistant contours show a uniform slope. So today we are going to learn about contours can be used to infer various landforms. Got it? Now, for this, you need to do one thing. Look at figure number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 and identify which landforms are shown in each of these landforms. You can pause the video here. Look at the figures carefully. Identify it. Come back again. We will discuss about the given landforms. I hope you have done it. Now, tell me, what is the difference in the contour pattern used for representing different landforms? So, as you have seen in landforms, what is the landform represented in figure 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 using the contour patterns? So, as you have seen, figure number 2 represents a hill. Figure 3 represents a ridge. Figure number 4, a plateau. Figure number 5, a cliff. Figure number 6 represents a saddle. This is the saddle, and figure number 7 represents a waterfall. Got it? So here is the waterfall, this is the cliff, this is saddle. Oh sorry, it is written wrong. This is not saddle, this is ridge. Got it? By mistake it is done. Here is the saddle. Now, how can we infer landforms using contours? We can identify landforms using contour patterns. Means, how can we identify on the map? When we are seeing anything physically, we can we can identify, yes, this is the cliff, or this is the ridge, this is the waterfall, everything we can do. But when we see all these things on the map, then how we will identify? There is the only one pattern to see the contour lines. Got it? So here we are going to discuss how can we infer landforms using contours. So suppose we are taking a hill. A hill is shown on a map by contour lines forming concentric circles. It means that a hill is shown by a smaller circle, then a bigger circle, then again a bigger circle, like this it will go. And all the lines are depend on the steep or the gentle slope of the hill. Got it? The inside of the smallest closed circle is the hilltop. Now, contour lines forming a ridge tend to be U-shaped or V-shaped. The close end of the contour lines point away from high ground. A saddle is normally represented as an hourglass. Cliffs are also shown by contour lines very close together and in some instance touching each other, like this. As you have seen, this is the straight one. So obviously the lines will be nearer to each other. Got it? For a cliff or waterfall, the contour line meet each other, and in no other landform do contour lines meet each other. Contour lines shows the formation of waterfall, means from how high this water is falling. This is not showing the falling of the water. I hope you understood. Now, what is the difference between convex and concave slope? So here is the difference. You can see this is the convex slope. The image is not so clear as I got it. I am showing you. This is the convex slope and this is the concave slope. Got it? Now, convex slope is steep at bottom and flattens at the top. A concave slope is gentle at the bottom and steep near the top. Now, how are two showing using contours? Contour lines showing a concave slope on a map will be closely spaced at the top of the terrain feature and widely spaced at the bottom. You can see here concave slope. You can see the lines, they are wide at the bottom and nearer at the top. And contour lines showing a convex slope on a map will be widely spaced at the top and closely spaced at the bottom. So you can see the difference here in the convex slope also. The contour lines are placed closely and placed widely at the top. I hope you understood this difference in concave slope and convex slope if you are using the contours. Got it? And the above one, you can see the semicircle lines. These are the lines showing on the map, and this figure is shown you to just make you understand. I hope you understood it also. Now, here comes the question of the day. You need to name any of the state which comes in plateau region in India. Got it? Now, after doing this, please read the section one more time and then complete your S2 in workbook, and in notebook do practice question 4 to 6. Thank you and have a nice day.